Good morning once again, everybody. It's 11:33 and just turned 30 seconds on Tuesday, September 18th. Ooh, I forgot to write what this is. Captain Marvel lot. So I apologize. This is for the 3 Captain Marvel books, 25, 26, and 33. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list will get the books. I should have enough time to get these in today's mail. If for some reason I don't, they will go out tomorrow, September 19th. Best of luck, everybody. Pardon me, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one, 11. Spot 1, Jeff Lewis. Congratulations. Time is 11:34 and 37.